interested in watching the demo of ELF Bite Size Face Duo in 2 different variants, demo as well as the swatches and everything? If yes, continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now from the from the thumbnail, from the title, you all must have got a little bit of idea. Yes, today I'm going to show you the demo as well as the hand swatches of the new launch product on exclusively on Nykaa, that is the ELF Bite Size Face Duos. Y'all must have heard about their bite size eyeshadow palettes and everything. Y'all must have even watched lot of seen lot of videos and everything, but this face duos are newly launched on Nykaa and it is exclusively available. And first let me make one thing very clear. This video is not at all sponsored by Nykaa. They have not sent me. I have spent my own money on all these products and I am going to review it for you. Not exactly review, I'll just show you the demo and I'll share my thoughts with you all. Right, in this particular category, this is actually the bite size face duo. It comes with one blush and one highlighter, one highlighter and one blush. Okay, so these are actually the face duos. In this total, in US and everywhere, if you all can if you all search out, they have total 8 shades, but somehow on Nykaa they have only 6 shades. Why? I am not sure. 2 shades they are missing, the guava one and the coconut one. Basically I was interested more into the coconut one because the coconut one blush is so dark, so that I could have used that as my bronzer or maybe a contour. I could have used that easily, but since it is not available, so I thought to go with the spiced apple one. Right, I will just tell you the basic detail. This basically, as I told you, comes in 6 different variants. This is actually the outer packaging. It comes like this only. There is no plastic wrapping or anything. They have a small tag over here. It just says pull up to peel. Like you just have to, like it is tucked like this. You just have to peel this off and pull up this so that the palette gets opened. Like you all can see, if you pull up then the palette gets opened. Okay, the variant they have given you over here, bite size face duo pomegranate. This is the pomegranate one, and I'll show you the spiced apple one also. This is the spiced apple one. If at all you all are removing this tag, then also there is no problem, because on the back side of the palette over here also they have given the name. So if at all you all are removing the tag, no problem. Okay, only the variant and I think the barcode and some other detail are given. The expiry and all is not given over here. The expiry and everything is given on this particular label. Okay, they each and everything's manufacture details are specified. Country of origin is China. So if at all y'all are a person who do not wish to go for China manufactured product, then stay away from this. This contains, the bite size face duo contains 4.6 grams. So you all can say 2.3 approximate. So total 4.6 grams. This retails for, basically in India it retails for 400 rupees, but in US, and I have checked few of the videos over there, it retails for $3. So if you calculate $3, then 400 rupees is little bit higher. But then if you check, they get the products in India, so they have to pay some duties and everything. So 400 rupees was little bit higher, but when I checked on Nykaa, when this particular product launched, they were having 20% off. And if your bill goes above 650, then 10% additional. So of course I had ordered few more things from ELF, so my total was above 600, so I got 30% off. So this is the one palette and this is the other palette. As I told you, net content I have told you 4.6 grams, retails for 400 rupees, and country of origin I have told you. The shelf life. The shelf life is, this is I think manufactured in, manufactured in Jan 21, but while coming over here, of course it takes little bit more time, and the expiry is Jan 24. So total 3 years of shelf life you all are going to get. Import date is, actually we have to see the import date. Import date is October 21, because that is the date when it got imported in India. So this is October 21 and it is good to go till Jan 24. So almost 2.5 years you all can use this particular product. Now I'll just show you the hand swatches, and after showing you the hand swatches, we'll move towards the demo part. I'll just show you the first hand swatches of the pomegranate one. I'll first swatch the blush. This is the pomegranate one. this is the blush and this is the highlighter. Now what I'll do is I'll take the swatch of Spiced Apple, but for the Spiced Apple I'll first swatch the highlighter so that you can check both the highlighters together. Y'all can compare, because if I'm like checking over here, I cannot see much difference in the highlighter. Of course there is a lot of difference in the blush. Let me try to do it for you. Yes, I think this way is possible. Y'all can see both the highlighters. I cannot find any difference. If at all y'all can make out any difference, then let me know. Pomegranate one is washed. Now I'll just take the Spiced Apple highlighter. No, I don't see any difference. But just because of the blush, and I wanted to review at least 2 shades, so that, and the blush is basically too light for me. Y'all can see. But when no makeup day, I can use this light flush of color on my cheeks. So that is why I have ordered this. Y'all can see, compare both the highlighters. They are almost pretty dang similar. I can say 99% similar. That is what I can see from here. If at all y'all can find any difficulty, let me know in the comment section. Now what we'll do, we'll move towards the demo, because right now what you can see on my face, I've already applied in everything, but we'll move towards the demo. Yes, now we'll move towards the demo of the e.l.f. Bite Size Duo. I have already done the base makeup, that is the primer, the foundation, the lipstick. Only the eye makeup is remaining, that is the liner, mascara, as well as the blush and the highlighter. That's all, only these parts are remaining. Before moving ahead with the demo, I'll just tell you my lipstick details. I have applied, generally I don't do the cocktail of 2 products, but today I have done. The lip liner which I have applied is from Pat Cosmetics. It is that Color Lock or something. Yeah, Color Lock lip liner in the shade Plush. As well as I have used this Color Bar Kiss Proof Lip Stain in the shade Hot Latte. Okay, it is 007 Hot Latte. So this is the combo what I'm having right now on my lips. Okay. Yes, now what I'll do, as I told you in the earlier, in the introduction, I'll use this pomegranate on my face, that is on my cheeks, as well as the highlighter, and the Spiced Apple Duo I'll use on my eyeshadow, that is the blush. The blush which they have given, I use as the transition shade, and I'll just apply the highlighter on the overall lid. So I just wanted to see how this wears off, because if I'll make 2 different videos for this products, then I don't think y'all will be interested. So I'll just gather both the palette in one video. So now we'll move towards the demo. What I'll do is I'll just take my blush brush and I'll apply the pomegranate blush on my face, that is on my cheeks, not on my face, sorry. Y'all can see clearly, y'all can see this is the, and this is with blush and this is without blush, right? Now I'll just take little bit. If at all y'all feel it has gone a little bit overboard, you can definitely, as I always do, and in any case I always have a habit of just dabbing a beauty blender on the blush. Now I'll just take the highlighter brush and I'll apply on my cheeks. Y'all can see it is definitely a super pigmented highlighter. I'll just take a pencil brush to apply in the inner corner as well as on the brow bone. I'll just take a little bit, but before applying the inner corner, I'll just take the Spiced Apple one and try to use it as an eyeshadow. So I'm just taking the Spiced Apple blush on the overall lid. Okay, now I'll just taking my finger to apply this particular Spiced Apple Duo highlighter on the overall lid. I'm just experimenting. Okay, the highlighter is beaming. You all can see on my eyes. I'll just take the eyeshadow brush and I'll just try to blend it. so that there are no harsh edges. Okay, now I'll just take the small brush and I'll just apply it on the inner corner. As well as on the brow bone. Yes, you all can see the highlighter and everything is applied. Now what I'll do is I'll just go off the camera, I'll just apply the liner, mascara, and I'll just finish it up with the base makeup and I'll come back. Yes, now you all have seen the demo, you all have seen the application of the blush as well as the highlighter of pomegranate on the cheeks, and you all have seen the blush and the highlighter of spiced apple on my eyes. So this is what right now my eyes are looking. You all can see, you all can make out, and that is why I have applied two palettes together. So just you can make, like you all can multi-purpose, like you all can use this product in multiple ways. That is what I wanted to tell you. Now I have basically tried to cover each and every point, but still if you have any other query or any other suggestions, do let me know in the comment section, or else any other video request, you can let me know there also. And if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe. And if you are wondering what are my final thoughts, I'll just brief you, like if at all you all can get this on discount, because 400 rupees for this duo and 4.6 gram is little bit costly, little bit, not much, but you all know Nykaa runs lot of sale, and right now the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, I'm not sure when this video is going to be live, because when I'm filming, the Nykaa Pink Friday sale is still like 1 week more to go. So if at all it is live during that time, the video, then you can check out Nykaa. They must be having some good discounts on ELF, and in any case Nykaa has discounts on ELF now and here and there, lot of times I have seen that. So during the sale time, or else if you have any coupon code or any gift card, that time you can go ahead and you can purchase it, because there are lot of face duos available. And in fact on my channel also you all can find a lot of face duos, and if at all you all want me to make a comparison of any particular face duo, let me know that also. If at all I have that in my vanity, I'll try to compare it with that thing. Basically I wanted to get the now Makeup Revolution has come up with a new, you can say not exactly brand, but you all can see a new line in that particular, in their makeup category, that is Relove or Revolve, I'm not sure, I think Relove, Relove. So in that they have face duos. Basically I was trying from HOK Makeup to get my hands on that, but while I was trying, I saw this on Nykaa, so I was like, might as well get it from Nykaa, because I'm a Thrive member of Nykaa, so I'll get the shipping and everything pretty soon. And in any case, shipping is soon of Nykaa at my residence, at my place, that is, like you all know where I stay and everything. So it is pretty soon. So I thought of doing that, because HOK will ship me from Delhi, and from Delhi to reach at my place it will take little more time, and this takes little less. So I thought of doing that. And if, in any case, I'm planning to get my hands on Relove palettes, the face duos as well. If at all I got my hands on that, I'll just try to compare this with the Relove one, so that you all have the better idea. So in short, you all got the purpose, like you all got the thing what I wanted to tell you, right? Now if you are watching till here, as I told you, please like, share and subscribe. And if at all you want me to follow on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, you can definitely do. I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen, because sometimes short reels, some short reviews and everything which I cannot upload on over here, I do upload over there on Instagram, so do follow me over there. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.